Well, can you tell where I'm at, people? I'm at this construction site down here in front of the Ozark. How do you say it? Ozark Community Center. I gotta reach in here and do something. All right, now we got some trucks here, we got people here. Let me go ahead and just break the news to him. Have you heard yet from corporate?
From who?
From corporate. This whole thing is shut down. It's in the wrong place. Ain't enough height. They ain't enough. See, got to dig down. It's going to flood. They called me and told me to come and tell y'all that just pack it up, start moving everything tonight, and
that's what we're here for. We're waiting on trucks, load everything.
Okay, load it all up, cause there ain't enough road over there to put it under. I mean, it's like it's going to be a ditch, like you're burying it.
Well, the sidewalk goes on top of it.
On top of it, the highway?
Yeah. No, the sidewalk goes on top of the box.
The sidewalk goes on top of the box.
We're putting curb out there, and then the sidewalk will go up behind the curb.
It's for midgets? Is this thing for little people?
No.
I can't see it. It's just, you're going to have to dig
a trench, or they will do it. They got a trench that'll come out, and it'll actually attach to this sidewalk up here.
Wow. So I just need to shut my mouth and wait till I see it after it's done, because I can't visualize it worth shit.
The sidewalk connecting. That'll be next year.
But this thing's going under that road.
Yes, sir.
There ain't enough height, no elevation. You're going to dig a ditch, a really big ditch, and it's going to flood with water. How you going to get the water out? We're back to talking about it ain't going to work.
Come over and look at it Monday morning.
Monday morning, I'll be happy with it, huh? He's over there just laughing. Huh?
We'll be done noon tomorrow. Noon tomorrow.
Y'all did the other one really fast, and that was a big cut.
Yeah, this one's not near as deep as that other one.
And that's what I'm saying. It ain't going to fit. These damn things you're going to have to dig.
There's 5 foot of cut in the bottom of that ditch over there.
5 foot of cut. So when you put these under that road, how much road is going to be like the road's going to be right on top of it?
2 feet.
2 feet? That ain't going to pass. That ain't going to pass spec. That's what I'm telling them. They in the wrong place. This guy over here, he seems to agree with me. Oh, he don't want to talk now because he knows that 2 feet ain't enough. It ain't never going to work. I guess I just don't know. But 2 feet. Can y'all see the dilemma? How big those things are? And they're gonna go underneath the road right there. I just don't know how. He got to laughing so bad he drove off. I just don't know how in the world them big things are gonna go underneath there. I'm standing on this, so maybe they come, maybe it goes, it extends all the way out here. Lord, there's a manhole right here. There's a culvert right there. Well, all I can tell you is, I ain't gonna believe it till I see it. And they said, you heard how fast he said it'd be done by tomorrow evening. I hope so. That'd be a miracle if they get it done. And they will, they're pretty fast. I looked these people up on the internet, the company, and I can't say the dead gum name, but I'll show you their logo. Wait a minute, that's a different, oh, that's somebody else's excavator. But on this crane, they've got a logo, and on their trucks they got a logo. See, they had a ton of this rock for the other job, and they got that backfill over there for that one. It's just going to be interesting to see this thing get done. All right, let me give you the name of the company. Emery Sapp Sons, and it's employer owned. they've got 3 light boxes. You talking about needing light? They got 3 of them that they're going to set up. They'll have this thing at 9 o'clock tonight looking like daylight, because I think that's when they're supposed to start, 9 o'clock tonight. All right, I thought I'd get this while I had a chance. Look at this big old pipe. I haven't even thought about this. See this big old pipe right here? It's already welded. Look at that. Welded and everything. Them are rubber gaskets. I never seen the rubber gaskets from the other site. Look how many they got. That's like a rubber floaty thing, snake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13. What is this? I got a chance to look, so I might as well look. That's some kind of tool. I don't know. All right, people, I gotta get out of here. I'm losing daylight. All right, yeah. Did you say that y'all would be through by tomorrow noon or afternoon?
Tomorrow afternoon.
I would say before dark.
Should be. Because we don't have no breakdowns or anything.
What is that big pipe for?
It's for a casing for a future water line.
Casing for a future water line. And y'all know exactly where it needs to go. Elevation, height, location.
Well, it just water line mainly just generally has 42 inches of cover, so it'll be plenty deep.
Yep.
We're going to put it in the bottom of our trench.
Oh, all right. That'll be good. Anything for the future will be good. All right, later. Appreciate it.
Yep.